I will show you how to add a spare part list to an uploaded diagram. Click on the Create List button. Now, you can add the diagram name and description to the appropriate text boxes. You can set the availability in the Available drop-down. This will determine whether your client can see this particular spare parts list. Then, after saving the diagram name and description, you will have to click on the Details button. This will take you to the Diagram Details page. To add a list, click the Add Part List button. Here, you can choose the appropriate list for the diagram you are working on. Once you have selected the parts list, you will see the list displayed. If you are happy that you have chosen the correct list, you can click the Use for List button. The list page will now be converted into usable data that can be saved as a spare parts list for the diagram. Once this process is complete, you will have to map the list data columns to the following categories. There are 3 required fields, which are part position. This corresponds to the number on the diagram for the spare part. Part number. This is the part number for the specific part, which will be used to identify the part in the request for quote. Part name. The name of the part. The last 3 fields are not required, but are useful. Description. A description or extra information of the part. Price. You can add pricing if available. Available. Is this part available for order? Once you have mapped the data, click on View Data. You can now click on Save. That is it. Your list has now been imported.